After challenging Riya Chakravarti's bail that she got from Bombay High Court in the Supreme Court, the Narcotics Control Bureau has now gone ahead and challenged Shouvik Chakravarti's bail also in the Bombay High Court. This is the bail that Shouvik was granted by a special NDPS court along with 9 others in the drug case linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The NCB application states that the Mumbai Sessions Court granted bail to Shouvik Chakravarti, ignoring the findings and observations made by the Bombay High Court, which had earlier rejected his bail application. And the NCB has gone ahead and challenged the same bail of Shouvik in the High Court itself. And because of that, Shouvik was remanded to judicial custody on September 9, 2020. He filed a bail application soon after, however, that was rejected on September 11th. Shouvik and his sister Riya both filed bail applications before the Bombay High Court, and on October 7th, 2020, while Riya was granted bail, Shouvik was not. The Supreme Court in another case had held that statements made before the NCB officials were not admissible in the court of law. Hence, Shouvik approached the Sessions Court again with a fresh bail plea. The court finally granted him bail on December 12th, 2020. By that time, Shouvik had already spent almost 4 months in jail. Now the NCB in a fresh plea has said that the special NDPS court, while granting bail to Shouvik, had failed to consider the observation made by the Bombay High Court that he was connected with the other accused in the case, from whom commercial quantity of contraband was recovered. The NCB plea states, the rigors of Section 37, which deals with offences that are cognizable and non-bailable, should have been applied since Shouvik Chakravarti is accused under offence Section 29 of NDPS Act, which is abetment and criminal conspiracy. The plea further elaborates on why NCB is seeking cancellation of Shouvik's bail. It has been also observed that considering the fact that Shouvik is a part of large syndicate, it is not possible to observe that he is not likely to commit such offence in the future. The NCB's application in the High Court against Shouvik's bail further reads, while rejecting the bail application of Shouvik, the Sessions judge, in absence of any material to the contrary, has erred in coming to a conclusion and observing that the recovery of contraband from accused Anuj Keshwani has no concern with Shouvik. So it is most humbly submitted that the said finding is grossly incorrect and therefore bail granted on the basis of these findings deserves to be set aside. According to the NCB, Anuj Keshwani was found with commercial quantity of contraband and is alleged to be a drug dealer. NCB has also sought to cancel the bail granted on the grounds that Shouvik Chakravarti may dispose of his properties and assets to nullify the purpose of the financial investigation, or he may help the other suspects in absconding or manipulating the investigation. So net, the NCB has once again gone hammer and tongs after both Riya and Shouvik in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, challenging both their bail applications. Tomorrow, the Chief Justice of India will hear NCB's petition against Riya's bail in the Supreme Court, and today the application against Shouvik's bail was filed in the Bombay High Court. While the NCB has made an audacious move by challenging both the bails in two different courts, many experts feel that tomorrow most probably either Riya's bail will not be cancelled by Supreme Court or the court might just adjourn the case for a later date. But in the event that her bail is cancelled, then Riya Chakravarti goes back to jail tomorrow itself. This is the latest breaking and the most crucial news in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Leave your thoughts on this story in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for clear-cut, drama-free and incisive news on Sushant Singh Rajput and other important developments. Hit on the bell icon as well so you don't miss any update. But as always, thank you so much for watching.